In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change sheet directions to right to left on Google Sheets. If you work with right to left languages, or simply prefer your columns to start on the right and flow leftward, Google Sheets has a built-in option that flips the sheet layout in just a few clicks. I'll walk you through it from the very start so you know exactly where everything is. First, open your web browser and head to the Google homepage. At the top right of the page, look for the Google Apps icon. It's the small grid of 9 dots. Click that to open the Apps menu. From the list of Google services that appears, choose Sheets. This takes you straight to the Google Sheets homepage, where you can access your files. Now, open the spreadsheet you want to adjust. You can pick one from your recent files or browse your drive. Once the spreadsheet is open, we'll make the layout change inside the document itself. At the top of the sheet, click the Format menu. This is where Google Sheets keeps many layout and display controls. In the Format menu, hover your mouse over Direction. Don't click yet. Just pause your cursor over Direction to reveal the submenu. You'll see options for how the sheet is laid out. From that submenu, click Sheet right to left. The moment you choose this, Google Sheets flips the layout so columns now begin on the right edge of the screen and progress to the left. You'll notice that the column header A moves to the far right, and the scroll bar behavior makes more sense for right-to-left reading. Rows remain numbered from top to bottom as usual. What changes is the horizontal flow of columns. A couple of helpful notes as you review the result. This change applies to the current sheet within your file. If your document has multiple tabs, each sheet can have its own direction setting. Also, this feature affects layout, not language. Your data won't be translated or reformatted automatically. Text alignment doesn't necessarily change with direction, so if you want values or labels aligned differently, you can still use the standard alignment buttons on the toolbar. Charts, images, and filters will stay exactly where you place them relative to their cells, and printing will respect the new direction so the first columns appear on the right side of the page. And that's it. You opened Google Sheets, selected your spreadsheet, went to Format, hovered over Direction, and chose Sheet right to left. With this quick adjustment, your sheet now matches a right to left reading flow, making it more comfortable and natural for your work.